Hello, I'm Audrey Deane from Safer Food Scores. I've been working in the food industry for over 25 years and I advise food businesses on how to produce food in a safe, clean and hygienic way. Choosing the right equipment, organising your food preparation areas and carefully thinking about the health and safety and cleanliness of your employees is very important. In a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk from harmful bacteria and viruses in your kitchen. Keeping your workstations and your equipment clean is vital. Remember to clean as you go and to sanitise your surfaces regularly using the correct chemical for the correct time. It's a legal requirement for surfaces in your food areas to be smooth and non-absorbent. This is so that they can be cleaned easily. Avoiding equipment like cardboard cutter boxes is important. They are serious offenders when it comes to harbouring bacteria and viruses. You can't keep them clean and you certainly can't put them through the dishwasher. Loose rolls of foil or film can roll onto the floor and become contaminated. They can also be stored in inappropriate areas like on dirty shelving or down the side of units. It's very important to remember that bacteria and viruses can survive for many days on surfaces that haven't been cleaned and sanitised properly, which could be a contamination risk. Protect your equipment when it's not being used. Keep it in the correct area and protect it from contamination, perhaps by putting it in a lidded box. I regularly recommend Wrapmaster as the plastic casing protects your film, foil or parchment and it can be easily sanitised using your chemical sanitizer spray, or it can go through the dishwasher. And if your temperatures are above 80 degrees, this will effectively sanitise your equipment. Also, your hands don't touch the film, foil or parchment when you're using the Wrapmaster dispensing system. This ensures that you can cover your food in a clean and hygienic way.